Hello everybody and welcome back to Market Ways, guys, and this is episode 8 of ICT Pyramid, where we are going to discuss about the OTEs. What is OTE, optimal trade entry? So first of all, what you guys need to do is that you guys simply just need to copy my settings of Fib. Let me just quickly, you can take the screenshot as well. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these zones, all right, from 0.79 to 0.62. These are the important zones that we're gonna take in the market. Now what is OTE? Basically optimal trade entry work. So as we all know, when market is in a trend, what market do is market tap the 50% of this range. All right, now this is a trend, and if you guys see, market tap the 50% of this range. But when we talk about the optimal entry, it's mean the market is going to tap the 70% of the previous range. As you can see, we know about the equilibrium where market come, which is 0.5 area, and the OTE is the 70% retracement of the previous leg. All right, so this is the bullish trend. We're gonna get the retracement of 70%, which is optimal trade entry. You can place your trade over here, stops below this, or you can, if you got the good confidence, you can place somewhere over here as well. But if you do not have any proper confidence, then go with the level 1 and then target the highs, or else you can target the whatever buy side liquidity you got. All right, so this is the optimal trade entry. Now I'm gonna place that in charts, and I'm just gonna let you know, guys. So we're gonna move towards some smaller time frames. Let's go with the 5-minute. So yep, here we got the trend, and now I don't know where I had to enter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply going to place the optimal trade entry from the previous leg. So okay, so this is the high and this is the low that we created before moving up. And if you guys see, you're gonna place your trade here, stops about here, and target these lows. And now this is so as you know, this is your nearest buy side liquidity, sorry, sell side liquidity. So you can target somewhere around here easily. So this is your 3.52 RR trade, which is like 149 pips in Nasdaq, and that's kind of damn good trade, like seriously. So we're gonna move towards some other examples as well. Let's move over here. Yeah, so if you see, we got this moving trade, and now keep that in mind. Sometimes you're gonna get the equal lows. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for these equal lows to get swept, and then what you can do is that you can simply place your OTE over here. All right, this is your OTE, this is your last leg. Market came all the way to your 0.62 level, and most of the times you're gonna get tapped by 0.62 level. All right, and you can place your stop somewhere here, and then you can target the high of 0.27 minus 0.27, or you could target the newest buy side liquidity, as I said. All right, this is your optimal trade entry. There will be another example. So now this is the bullish case scenario, and we also discussed the bearish case scenario. Now we're just gonna move somewhere random and see. So yep, so we got a pretty good accumulation over here, and we don't know that where market is going to come. So what you can do, let me tell you guys, this is the 5-minute time frame. You can use whatever time frame you want. All right, so what you can do, this is the low and this is the last high created by the market. All right, place the OTE. Now this is the huge leg. All right, sometimes we used to plot this whole Fibonacci on trends to identify the what is market going to do next, and this is done on the higher time frames. All right, so yeah, as you can see, we got the OTE level. We don't know the way we're gonna retrace, so we plot our OTE in this whole leg, and then what we got, 0.62 level. All right, we got the level. We're gonna place a stop somewhere around here, because this is the big stop with 28 pips. I usually go for 10 pips. and you can target this high, or as I said, the 0.27 level. All right, so now you can see you got 149 pips again, which is kind of banging trade over here. That's how we use our OTE. Now there's some confidence, like I want to tell you, you can use OTE only in the trends. All right, when you're in a trendy market, you're gonna use the OTE, as you got over here, somewhere over here. And you're gonna place your OTE over here. What you see, that we got our OTE level over here. Let me just go through. So this is the FVG combining with 0.62 level. All right, you can take your trade over here, place your stop over here, and target these equal low, like these are the equal lows over here. So you can target these lows, which is like 68 pips in a day. I guess that's it for the day, guys. I hope you guys like my video about the OTE. So if you guys want more concept like this, let me know in the comments. If I miss anything, I'm gonna cover that in the upcoming videos. That's it for the day, guys. I hope you guys like it. Have a good day.